It was a very simple question. The only way to dispel the error is by eliminating it with light of reason. Simple. It's quotation by Voltaire, but you do not need to know Voltaire. उसको बिना जाने बिना समझे आप पूरा आंसर लिख सकते हो. Question is not about Voltaire at all. It's about use of reason in different domains of life. So again, we have different introductions. A typical stock introduction, Kant की बात करो. So Kant in his What is Enlightenment essay encouraged the use of reason to liberate oneself from a self-imposed immaturity, and then you start with the answer. Reason की बात सवाल में पूछी हुई है. You can have Enlightenment thinkers. How many of you submitted this answer, by the way? I could see only 2 or 3 people. Of all these many people, only 2-3 लोगों ने आंसर सबमिट किया सेकंड वाला. Although we had given a commitment that we'll evaluate the first answer only. If you submit second, वो भी चेक करके दे देंगे. I think I had written in the group also. कोशिश करो दोनों लिखो. पहला तो पक्का लिखो, दूसरा कोशिश करो लिखने की. ठीक है. Enlightenment thinkers advocated reason as the primary tool for understanding society, question beliefs, and improve the world. Very simple. Again, there is nothing. Reason की बात करने कहाँ apply होता है. Enlightenment was a philosophical movement that emerged in 18th century Europe. It believed that human could use reason to identify the errors in thinking. Again, उसको आप elaborate करोगे. Identify the errors, challenge the superstition, ignorant beliefs, and correctly understand the world. Ultimately, the idea of progress and perfectibility of human. So, ठीक है, but idea of progress is the primary thing. And then you give in the main body, you got various examples. I have given only 4 or 5 examples because question is 10 marker. ज़्यादा समय है नहीं. तो स्पेस भी नहीं है. You'll get only 2 lines, 3 lines of 3-4 examples. उसमें आपकी जगह खत्म हो जाएगी. तो इसलिए इंट्रोडक्शन भी यहाँ के बहुत छोटे हैं, 1 liner इंट्रोडक्शन से, because it's 10 marker. Then you can give political example, Locke or Montesquieu, socialist sphere, you can go to Voltaire, social reform, you can go to Condorcet or anybody. You can education, you can talk of somebody else, Emile Bolo, even you can talk of encyclopedia. Examples don't matter. Take from different spheres of life. कैसे exam का use किया गया, dispel the myth or error or darkness. यहाँ पे there is no much scope for argumentation. Although I still थोड़ी खुजली होती है argument करने की, करना चाहता हूँ, कहाँ करूँ? In conclusion. So what I will do here, I have 2 different conclusions which will bring out the argumentative side. And what is that? However, the application of reason was not universally accepted. So enlightenment को आप universally, uniformly, monolithically कहोगे कि reason तो नहीं है. There are voices within enlightenment who oppose excessive rationality. For example, some people are romantic who become important much later. शुरुआत तो वहीं से होती है, उसके स्टमक से, पेट से. You have people who are conservative, some who are reformist only. So radical reason तो हमेशा नहीं है और reason भी कई जगह नहीं है. So we should not excessively focus on only rationalism all the time. बाकी लोग भी थे उस जमाने में, उनको दरकिनार ना करिए. Yes, secondly, what I can say, while reason played a crucial role in dispelling error, क्या मतलब, is it a good thing? In the long term, it became the worst thing ever. Enlightenment, rationality, fundamentalism led to all the problems of the totalitarian state, Nazism and everything in 20th century. कहाँ से आते हैं? It's from the basic rationalism that emerged in Enlightenment. So all the post-Enlightenment thinker, post-Kantian thinker, post-modern thinker जो मानते हैं कि हिटलर बुरा है और उसका रूट ढूंढते हिटलर आया कहाँ से, they go back to Enlightenment. So attack on Kant becomes very important to attack Hitler. Although we don't agree, historians don't agree with it, but sociologists, etc., उनका philosophers, postmodern thinker, उनका पूरा खाद यही है. To attack the irrationalities and excessive state power of 20th century, you have to go back to the origin, जहाँ से सारा शुरू होता है. ये सारा शुरू होता है Enlightenment. तो रीजन को आप बोल रहे हो डिस्पेलिंग एरर, भाई इसने क्या उसके ह्यूमन लाइफ ही डिस्पेल कर दी एक पॉइंट पे आने के बाद. In 20th century, excessive use of rationality. So you have, it could also be manipulated. The rise of totalitarian regimes in 20th century, such as Nazism and Stalinism, demonstrated how Enlightenment rationality was subverted to propagate dangerous ideologies and perpetuate errors on a massive scale. So यहाँ पे, if at all you want to go into थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा, you can give these arguments. In conclusion, बस एक लाइन में, not more than that. But even if you don't do these things, it is completely fine. Simple is introduce Enlightenment, use of reason, give 5 examples, and say it was one of the great achievements opening modern era. Full stop. जो कि हम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली करेंगे एग्जाम में. उतना ही समय मिलेगा हमें सोचने का. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गिविंग यू प्री कंसीव्ड थॉट्स, जो आप यहाँ पे लेके चलो, इस्तेमाल कर लो यहाँ वहाँ। ठीक है, एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी, समझ में आया?